Kaya, what are you doing? OMG, this is so stressful. I'm doing my geography task about wave energy.
Wow, what is that?
Oh, do you know that wave can be converted into energy? Let me show you. Do you know that waves are actually caused by tides, which vary depending on the lunar cycles? That's right. You can blame the moon for those days of rough surf on the beach. The amount of energy in a wave depends on its height and wavelength as well as the distance over which it breaks. A wave with greater amplitude will release more energy when it falls back to the sea level than a wave of lesser amplitude. Waves are most commonly caused by wind. Wind-driven waves or surface waves are created by the friction between wind and surface water. Then, the first concept about utilizing wave energy could date back to 1799 when a Frenchman, Girard, applied for a patent of wave energy technology. In 1910, a Frenchman named Boussot-Belsac invented a power station driven by wave energy, which provided 1,000-watt electricity for his building. Wave energy is the capture and transport of energy by ocean surface waves. It is then used for all different kinds of useful work, including electricity generation. Waves create movement and kinetic energy, which can be harnessed to generate electricity through turbines. The air force near the seashore is caused by the wave energy converter or VEC, which captures the energy of the wind waves to perform useful tasks. Wave energy is another form of renewable energy that can be used as an alternative to traditional energy from fossil fuels. Renewable energy sources are sustainable forms of energy because they have a low environmental impact and are naturally replenished. Well, now moving on into its type. So in this video, I will be discussing two types of model. This one is called as the attenuators. The device looks like a snake floating on the ocean surface. The device consists of four tubular sections connected by three hinges. The four sections move relative to each other and the hinges convert this motion by means of the utility controlled hydraulic power conversion system. The total device length is 150 meter with a tube diameter of 4.63 meter. Well known as the core power ocean wave energy converters that is inspired by the pumping of the human heart. The wave energy technology is informed by 40 years of hydrodynamic research, allowing for a lightweight and low-cost design that maximizes generation capacity. To ensure the positive effects and minimize the negative effects of installing VECs like this in coastal areas, it is important to conduct true and inclusive assessment of their environmental and social impacts. These should be done before, during, and after installation to identify and address potential issues. It is also crucial to follow the best practices and standards for the design, installation, operation, and removal of VCs like this to ensure their safety with the marine environment and local communities. Until January 31, 2024, the Core Power Ocean Wave Energy Converter is only available in Portugal, while the Attenuators Energy Converter is only available in Cyprus. Turning back from what I have said before about the positive and negative effects. Installing VECs in coastal areas has both positive and negative effects on the environment. On the positive side, it helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and fossil fuels consumption, providing clean and renewable energy. It also benefits marine biodiversity by creating artificial reefs and shelter for the fish and other organisms. It helps to prevent coastal erosion and flooding by dissipating wave energy and protecting shorelines. However, it can disrupt wave patterns and currents, potentially harming marine wildlife through noise and electromagnetic fields. Additionally, it may interfere with other marine activities by occupying space and creating hazards. Indonesia is a maritime country that has a vast ocean. Some coastal parts in Indonesia have wave energy potential to develop for renewable energy. In some research that was conducted, the potential parts consisted of western of Sumatra Island, southern Java Bali, Nusa Tenggara, and northern Papua Island. Those regions have various results of wave characteristics and an estimation of generated electrical energy. Other factors that we have to consider to implement this energy were the cost, transmissions from the source to users, and maintenance of the device itself. So, that is all from me for my explanation, and I hope from this video you can gain more understanding about how the renewable sources of waves can be converted into energy. I hope my friend who asked me at the beginning of the video could also understand. Search YouTube or any other resources for further information about this topic. Thank you and may God bless you. Bye bye.